Guess the top 10 most eaten foods in the world via foodchamps.org. We did the top 5. Let's do the top 10.
Let's go rice.
That's number 1.
Chicken.
Chicken's number 3.
Beef.
Beef is not on the list.
Eggs.
Eggs is number 2.
Bread.
Bread is number 5.
Is there a vegetable on there? Bananas.
No, 1 fruit on there, not banana.
I said vegetable and I guess bananas. Apples.
Apples are number 8.
Pasta.
Pasta's number 4. Nice.
Pizza.
Pizza's number 7. Nice. Now we're cooking. Now we're cooking with steam.
Beans.
No, not beans.
Oh, I got it. Potato.
Potatoes are number 6. Need 9 and 10. One's a dessert.
Chocolate.
No.
Ice cream.
Ice cream's number 10. And then number 9 is a liquid.
Yogurt. Soup.
Yes, soup is number
Soup.
9. Nice.